Hi friends, welcome to Yogstalk English. Thank you so much for supporting my videos. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe and give me a like, share video if you like it. In today's video, what we will discuss is actually artificial intelligence is almost eating most of the jobs. Recently, there are a lot of layoffs. Have you all seen? The IBM also laid off 8,000 employees. Microsoft laid off 6,000 employees. Meta, Facebook, etc., etc. So many layoffs is going on at the moment, and a lot of people are losing their jobs because of AI is taking over. So, what is an alternative to AI? Can't we remain in a job? What skills we have to update? What do we have to learn? Almost software job is dead. Software engineer not required anymore. AI is writing a code. AI is develop everything. AI is fixing the bugs. AI is testing. So what we do need, what we have to do if we don't get a job, what's going to happen? What's our future? So we'll discuss all this in this particular video. But certain jobs AI cannot replace. One is a teacher. We have to have a teacher to teach, though AI can give some information to the teacher. He can learn from AI, but when it comes of explaining, he has to explain. AI cannot explain. We don't, robot cannot come to the class as a teacher and explain. So we need teachers. So teachers jobs are still safe, and social security jobs are still safe, like doctors, nurses, any other people, social caring people who look after the elderly people, their jobs is also safe. Of course, the doctors is also have a threat in future, because artificial intelligence is giving a lot of information to the doctors that what to do, what not to do, and some of the robots have started doing these knee operations. So as of now, they are all safe. And the other one is actually creative people. If you are a writer, you can get a script from ChatGPT, but you have to present suitable for that particular audience. If you are a comedian, for example, you have to present that in a way that other people, viewers, can laugh. I mean, you can't just simply take from ChatGPT and paste it or make a film like that. So if you are a filmmaker, for example, you can take a script, but you have to modify it. So still, there is a human interaction needed. If you are a stand-up comedian, you can get a script from ChatGPT, but you cannot simply by reading that, people cannot laugh. So you have to present your skills to make them laugh on your comedian script. Same like that, there are few other jobs which is not dependent on artificial intelligence, is still safe. However, a lot of IT jobs, entry level IT jobs, definitely is going to go in the next 2 years. Middle manager jobs is going to go in the next 2 years. HR jobs almost can go in next 2 years, because that there is a chatbots and all this, so many other things are come up. AI, if there is any question, a chatbot is answering our question, and we don't require any HR anymore, because our CV is reading by artificial intelligence. They are checking all our skills in a computer before there is a human sitting there and checking our CV. So these are all complications. So what do we have to develop now? If you want to get a job in this competitive world, AI is involved. So what skills that you have to update? Everybody has to update their skills, that is for sure. So main important thing, if you are in a testing, manual testing, that is gone. Okay, you have to go into automation testing. If there is any small software engineers level developing a codes, that's also gone. You have to go into the IT developing and learn more skills on AI related courses. So I'll give you 7 different jobs that is going to created. More or less 75 million jobs is going to be absolute in the next 2 to 5 years, but there are 130 million jobs is going to be created. How far it is true, I am not sure, but a lot of company CEOs are suggesting that there are a lot of jobs related to entry level mid managers are going to go. Okay, so the first one is AI and machine learning. This is very important actually, AI and machine learning. So you can develop skills learning AI softwares, and what you have to learn for that is Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, NLP, LLM, these AI softwares that you have to develop your skills. I know some Python developers, they are still working on their old legacy systems, but that doesn't work anymore. So you have to improve your Python linked to AI. And what sort of jobs you will get for this is in data scientist, AI engineer, ML ops engineer, these kind of roles that are slowly evolving into this system. I mean, these jobs are already existing, but more or less interacted with the artificial intelligence. So next one is very important one is a cloud computing. AI cannot beat this cloud computing because at the moment, I mean, from older generation to latest generation that we are using data centers and all in one place. Now in a future generation, all these data center systems are moving to the cloud system, so you can access this system everywhere, anywhere in the world. That's exactly the cloud means. You can access from India, you can access from anywhere. Before, when we were working from home, we were using RSA token. So that means we are connecting to the system, to our company, then we are accessing all the servers and everything. Now we don't need that. Since cloud was introduced, what we have to do is we can sit anywhere, even in the beach, connected to your office server. So that is the reason cloud computing is very important. You must update your skills on cloud computing. And what comes under cloud computing to learn is basically AWS, Amazon Web Service, web server, Azure, Google Cloud, DevOps tools, all this that you have to update your skills on. And what sort of roles that is creating is cloud architect, site reliability engineer, DevOps engineer. These are all the jobs that they are going to create. We already have these jobs, but in future, with along with the AI, jobs is going to be increased. Next one, cyber security. This is another big one because no one can beat this. Without a human touch, cyber security by AI, it is impossible. If there is any threat from any country to any country's websites or servers, manually someone has to detect those issues, but AI cannot detect. AI can give you an idea where to go for look, what is the IP address, how to check that IP address, how to check the links, but manual and human interaction is a very much important for the cyber security. So you can ethical hacking also very important, so you can learn certain courses related to cyber security so that you will get a job. What we have to learn for this is actually ethical hacking, network security, zero trust. All this must be learned by you. And what kind of jobs that you will get is a security analyst, penetration tester, and SOC analyst. These jobs are going to create in future more and more and more. And the next important one is data analytics and engineering. Data analyzation is very important for particular projects, and AI cannot analyze the data. AI can give you the data. AI can go and gather the information and give you the data, but it cannot analyze what requirement that you have. You have a certain requirements that pull out the data. AI can pull and give you, but to analyze it, which is right, which is wrong, must be done by an engineer. So AI cannot replace this particular job. So that is also very important, and for that you have to improve your SQL skills related to AI. And Power BI, Spark, ETL pipelines is also can be learned and improved yourself. And the roles that you will get is data analyst, data engineer, business intelligence developer. BI developer role is very important actually. So, but related to AI, you have to learn. The next one is product and agile management. Yeah, that is also very important thing. Agile management, basically that most of the projects are working on agile methodologies because they keep on improving, they keep on developing, and so many things are changing in between. So when you learn product and agile management related to artificial intelligence, what you have to learn: Scrum, Jira, design thinking, agile framework. All this you have to learn and update your skills in related to AI. And the jobs that you will get is all this you have to learn related to AI. The jobs that you will get is product manager, scrum master, agile coach. The next important one is software development with AI integration. I know there are a lot of software developers, software engineers who are writing the code to develop all this actually, but now you have to learn, update your skills with integrated to AI. So the code that you are writing is already writing by ChatGPT, Grok AI, so many AIs are writing a code. It's not a big deal, but you have to be in a different way, show your skills in writing a code. And you must understanding a code given by artificial intelligence. For that, you have to improve your Python script, Python skills, Java skills, and React APIs, GitHub. Now, see, you have seen, I don't know whether you have seen or not, Microsoft have given a big presentation that they have linked all softwares together with the GitHub version. So version control is also automatically done. Code bug fixing is also automatically done. There are so many changes happening day by day. And the jobs that you will get on this software development with AI is full stack developer, automation developer. So the next important one is a robotic process automation. If you are really good in playing games, actually you know how the robot works, how you are playing a games, you better learn this robotic. At the moment, there are so many experiments and researches going on this particular robotic thing. So there are a lot of robots on the roads. Robots are cleaning the, cleaning the airports, and they are collecting the rubbish in the house. Slowly, this is evaluating towards the robot. So human interaction is going to come down actually, but there is somebody need to write a code for this robot. So that is also going market in the market. It's also a big job at the moment. So what you have to learn is UiPath, Blue Prism, automation anywhere, these skills that you have to develop. And the jobs that you will get is RPA developer, process consultant. So these skills are very much important. And on top of that, if you are on a QA automation, actually you have to learn code properly, play script, type script, and so all this must be improved by you. If you want to work on a automation testing, actually most of the testing is done by AI, but still there are some jobs out there that if you want to learn skills, you have to update your JavaScript skills, Python skills, and how to write a code. Though you copy a code from ChatGPT, you must understand how the code works. Okay, so these are all just jobs is going to available in future. Just a quick out and out: cyber security analyst, DevOps engineer, cloud architect, AI ML engineer, data scientist, scrum master, product manager. Okay friends, these skills must be improved, and any other jobs, entry level jobs, middle manager jobs is gonna go. So please try and learn all those so that you will be in the market for the next 5 years. We don't know what happened after 5 years. Okay, if you like this video, kindly share, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.